Hello guys. Okay, I welcome you all to Sniperverse Trading Strategy. As earlier promised, I told us that I was going to do a video on how you can participate in the Ethereum KZG ceremony. This ceremony and this program or campaign, I will call it, I've seen it on a lot of influencers Twitter handle, and they have been talking about it. It literally costs nothing to do it, and it will be a kind of wise if one should just do it, since it costs nothing. We don't know what will come out of it, but we are just going to try our luck. If it turns out well, they decide to do any maybe giveaways or maybe any airdrop at all. At the end of the day, fine and good. If they do not, it still serve for good because we didn't spend any money to do that. Okay, one of the difficulties people experience, right, in carrying out the Ethereum KYC, sorry about this, KZG ceremony, is that it can only be done on a phone due to I believe the computation and the way the program was set, and a lot of people have been doing it. Almost everybody that did it on a laptop. I've not seen anybody that did it on a mobile phone, but I tried it, and I succeeded doing it on a mobile phone because of my community. I needed those that didn't have the fund to purchase laptop or are not having any form of PC, so that they can also participate in their mobile phone. Okay, generally doing this or participating in this, you really need to, it takes a lot of time for this message, the successful message, to pop up, alerting you that you have been registered, or you have a kind of been part of the Ethereum KZG ceremony. Okay, let me show something here. Okay, I did this yesterday. I was able to carry out the task on my mobile phone, and I was sent this message: success, echo of you are permanently fused with the others in this summoning ceremony. Credibility is higher with broad community participation. Make sure to share this with others. The final output of this ceremony will be used in a future Ethereum upgrade to enable blah blah blah. So doing this, you will become your wallet will become a part of Ethereum history, and this may come super handy. This is the phone I use in doing it, and I did everything on my Miss browser. So I will take us there now to show us what I did. Okay, once you click on the link, and this is the first page that will display for you. and you are seeing the write-up in faint in the faint box here, proceed on desktop. So that automatically tells you that this can only be done on the desktop, but not to worry, we'll find a way to a kind of bypass this and also have it done on our phone. It will be very, very important that you get a mouse, maybe a Bluetooth mouse that you can connect with your phone. That was what I used, because there will be a place where your fingerprint might not work. It didn't work for me. When I connect my phone with my mouse, it finally worked out fine. Okay, first things first. The first thing you need to do, you change this site to the desktop format by coming here. You click on this button and you tap on desktop. So once it's on desktop, I don't know whether it has loaded, but let's still see it's still on desktop. Let's refresh the page. Okay, it's showing me I'm offline. Let me change my network. Okay, let me just wait for the network to come up. Okay, it's up now. All right. Once it's up, I'll go to the link again. Open it. Okay. Once you change the website format or interface to desktop, it will bring out this for you. Formerly it was showing us on this box to proceed with desktop, but immediately I changed it to the desktop format on my Mist browser now. It brought out begin instead of the previous now. Once you get to this point, you tap on the begin. After tapping on the begin, right, let me broaden the screen for everyone to see. You enter a secret word or code, right? You can choose anything, just write something secret, right? But make sure you write it down, because I believe that it will be used later on, and eventually you forget what you wrote. Maybe you may miss out in any of the incentive that might come, because I believe that this code, if there will be an airdrop or a distribution of NFT or anything of such, you'll be required to submit this code. Okay, so I'm going to write a code here now. After writing the code, let me input my own code. Let me do it again. I want to make sure I enter something I can easily remember. Okay, once done, you tap on an empty space. Once you tap on an empty space, just watch. Be careful here. There's something like a snake that goes round, right? I call it a snake because I'm seeing something like a snake. If you don't have a mouse to even roll it and in a circular form like this, it will not work. And I tried it using my palm. This is a touchscreen phone. When I was trying it at first using my hands to move it around, it wasn't going through. But with your mouse now, you can just move it around, right? Then once that is done, I'll click on the submit button. I think this is where it will send a transaction or open my wallet. Let's wait for it. Okay, now watch. Open the way. The ceremony requires souls of pure intent. Summoners show their integrity by unlocking with an address. Okay, this is a criteria now. Just study this now. With an address that has sent at least 8 transactions before January 13, 2023. Okay, this implies that the wallet you are using must have sent transaction on the Ethereum blockchain about 8 times, at least 8 times before January 13, 2023. So if you created the wallet before this date, automatically you will not be eligible. So the wallet must have been created before this date, the 13th of January 2023, and you must have used the wallet to carry out transaction on the Ethereum mainnet, at least 8 transactions. Okay, so the wallet I'm using, then this is the block number. This is about 16 million plus. Each address can only be used to contribute once. So you can use each wallet address to contribute one. Choosing Ethereum does not send any. Okay, choosing Ethereum does not send any. Sorry about this. Any fund or permit any contract. This method will let you claim. Okay, there is already a smell of something to claim now. This method will let you claim a PAOB after the ceremony have concluded, and this PAOB now is just like an NFT, right? And there might be reward for holders of this NFT. Okay, now is either you connect, unlock with Ethereum, which is maybe your MetaMask, or you unlock with your GitHub. But I would prefer to unlock with my Ethereum, right? Okay, I'm going to open my MetaMask now and select the network I want to use, right? I'll enter my password. I'll unlock. Okay, this is the Ethereum wallet I want to use. This particular Ethereum wallet is one of my oldest Ethereum wallet, right? Then after selecting the Ethereum wallet, I'll click on unlock, then click on. Remember, ensure that the phone is still on desktop format, right? Be checking it. Then once this is out, I'll click on the sign in. Then it will ask me to open. This is the wallet options. I prefer opening with my MetaMask. Okay, there is already a prompt message sent to my MetaMask. At times it will not open automatically for you to verify, but you need to check the MetaMask, the extension section, to know if there is a message, just like your message app. Okay, I'll switch to Ethereum. Then once that is done, I'll go back. It's processing now. Okay, after processing, right, it's checking the wallet to sign the contribution. Mind you, I told us earlier, this does not cost a dime. You won't spend anything, not transaction fee. It's just for the wallet to be verified, and maybe you keep it, you keep your phone on and do not minimize the page. do not go out of the page. Just keep your phone. You have to prepare to do this, right? Ensure that you will not use the phone to do any other thing within the period of getting this done, right? Maybe if you have two phones, it will be very good, right? Because the time frame or the time duration now for this to be successful varies with a lot of individuals and maybe devices. I've heard some people that have accomplished this successfully. Some said it took them 3 days, some said it took them 18 hours, some said it took them 3 hours, depending. Yours may even be lesser, right? I'm not saying yours should be must be longer than I have said, right? But yours could be shorter. The one I did on my phone, it took me close to about between 18 to 20 hours, right? So it didn't take me the 3 days that some people experienced, and some were lucky 3 hours it was done. So depending on it just depends on luck, right? So we'll still wait for it to check the wallet to sign in the contribution. Okay, you need to leave the screen or your mobile phone open on this side until you get a successful message from the site that your wallet have been added to the Ethereum history, or else once you go out of the site, it will be as if you restarting the whole process again. So if you want to do it, just prepare. If you have two phones, it will be better, and you should leave your data on. But if you don't have two phones, maybe you can set a time frame. It works differently for everybody. Some have accomplished this within 3 hours, some have accomplished this within 18 hours. It just depends. Once it checks your wallet and check just as it is on your screen like this, checking your wallet to sign the contribution. Once that check is done, you'll see some figures or numbers reading in percentage that you have about either 5 or 11% to be added to the Ethereum history. So you just have to leave your screen open just like this. For many devices, they don't have to leave the screen light on for infinity. And if your device is like that, this is what you will do. You download an app. Let me show us the app. Okay, this is the app. It's called Keep On. Once you open the app, right, you can change this setting, because my phone, let me take us to my phone. Okay, my phone, before we go to my phone settings now, my phone settings, it doesn't have indefinitely to leave the light on indefinitely, and is you can accomplish this if your screen light go on off before you are sent the success message that you have been added to the Ethereum history. If the screen light of your phone keep going off, you will not be able to accomplish this. Okay, once you check your phone, how to check your phone screen light setting, whether it have that infinity. Let me show us here. You go to your phone settings, then under your phone settings you go to display. Once you get to display, you see where it is written. Let me find it. It should be screen timeout. Okay, so the maximum screen timeout on this my device is just 30 minutes. Just it doesn't have indefinitely to leave it on indefinitely. If your phone is like that, then you need to download this app. Once you download the Keep On app, you can change the setting. Once you download it, you just turn this on, then you off this, automatically restore to 30 minutes after you lock the screen. You leave this, you don't tick it, right? If it is ticked, you just cancel it. Once you cancel it now, then you can click on this, let this be on. If you have done this on this app, automatically you can even add it up to your option here. This is it on my phone. You come to add the edit button and you can push it wherever it is here, then you can bring it up here. So it is on my devices showing on my screen here now. So once that is done, then you just have to leave the screen. You just have to be on this website until you get that successful message. Okay, because of the short length of this video, I won't wait for it to pop up for me to see the numbers reading to know the progress so far. And the other thing I want to show us, you must wait. If you must do this, you must wait to receive the success message. Just okay. Just as I showed us before, this is my phone as of when I was carrying this out. So my phone was on this side for like 18 hours. Okay, I didn't receive any call. I just block all the incoming call and any distraction that will distract me from this side until I receive this success message. As you can see it, then I was satisfied that I've been added into the Ethereum history ceremony. So first things, the wallet to use, just remember the wallet to use must have a transaction of at least 8 transactions before January 13, 2023. Once that is established, you can connect to the site and connect the wallet. Okay, this is all we can take for this video. As usual, all link will be at the description of this video, or to lead you to my Twitter, or to my Twitter to get the link. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, share this video, like, and turn on the notification button. And when next we do videos like this, you will be notified to watch. And also, if you make that decision to participate, and you can proceed. And I'm wishing you guys all the best. Thank you. See you in our next video.